Good afternoon, Professor. My name is Robert Dalin. I'm going to show you how to measure a couple angles, and we're going to those airport angles assignment you showed me. Okay, bring it over here. Now, in order to measure an angle, the first one of which I have marked with a rather sloppy asterisk, is you line up the little dot here with the point where the two line segments meet, and then you will align your base line here. If necessary, use a straight edge to line up the other angle. And as you can see, this is roughly 90 degrees to, I guess, 89-ish. Now we're going to move on to this other angle with an even sloppier asterisk. We'll do it in much the same way. Get our straight edge out. It appears to be about 120 degrees, 119. Okay, so so 119 to 120 degrees. And now we'll work on the airport angles. As you can see, I've went to Google Earth and saved some images of an Alaskan airport. I have managed to figure out which of these numbers here pair up with each other. For instance, runway 32 lines up with runway 14. That'll be our first runway. Our second runway, 7R, ironically meets up with 25L. Our final runway, 7L, will meet up with 25R. Now do not be confused, L does actually meet with R in these runways. But I don't quite understand this. How would you find the reference angle of a single runway? It would always be 0 degrees. But over here you can see we have two runways do in fact meet and make a pretty nice angle here. So we'll be doing this angle here a bit. And luckily these right lines do make a rather nifty part of reference for us to use. So the angle here is appearing to be 105 degrees. Bring it over here for me. So 105 degrees. Now in order to find the reference angle, we have to find out how much we need to get to the x-axis. So this is actually in the quadrant 2. So we need to see how close this is to 180 degrees. Simple math here, 180 minus 105.
75.
Yes, it is, Dalin. Degrees. Oh, whoops. Yeah, it did flub up here. That's what happens when you think too fast. And so the reference angle for this little angle right here, which is the only angle I could have found on this entire airport, is in fact 75 degrees. Okay, and I believe that should do it. I do realize I may not have done this entirely correctly, but it's to the best of my understanding. Okay, and stop the recording.